everyone. Hope you all are enjoying this pandemic time. Yes or no? Okay. So, before I start, I tell my first introduction. Myself, Mehul Sutar, being a professional artist in a painting line, right? So last, I think 4-5 months, the world are suffering in coronavirus. We all know that all education systems are falling down, right? The school time, school board, that we are missing, and also students are also missing, right? So today we represent the new technology, as well as we are giving some art demonstration, right? So basically this is a virtual board that is help of lot of like file uploading, some text are editing, and also we have to share each and every participant, right? Meanwhile time, if you want, we can call another person also on the line, same the lecture, right? So now we can start our art lecture, right? That is one type of demonstration. So today we teach basic anatomy of human anatomy, right, in an art form. Right? So whole thing into divide in 6.5 ratio. How can we judge this is a 6.5 ratio? Number one is the box is one number one. Number two is the neck part. Number third is shoulder level and chest level. Number fourth is stomach level. Number fifth is thigh with the knee point. And number six is above ankle. And this is a small part, the ankle and leg fit part is the counted in a 0.50. So the basic count is 6.5 ratio, right? Before I start the portrait part, for example, face and everything part, right? So I give you some ideas how to draw the face and all. So the face type is basically a square form, oval form, and the triangle form. The fourth number is perfect circle form. Total face shape: number one circle, square form, oval form, and the triangle form, right? So I give you some basic idea of the face. This is our forehead. If you know that this is our forehead, right? How we told this forehead? Anyone knows? No. Okay. So I tell you about forehead, how to this counting in forehead. The basic thing is, in our hand there is forehead measurement. We have 5 fingers. Total 4 fingers are adjusted in a head. So it's countable in a forehead. Right? After forehead, there is some eyebrows line. After eyebrow, eye line. Meanwhile, center line is like this. Then there is a nose line. after nose line there is one finger gap between nose and lips, right? This is upper lips part, center lips part, and the down lip part. The basic ear side is near to eye line, because we are wearing some specs or goggles, right? It's like a near to eye. Got it? Fine. So this is the anatomy basic part, how to draw a face. Inside face there is some bone side, so we have to just draw this line in a standing form over here. Then the V shape is turned into chin part and the sleeping part. Clear? Okay. Now the head side. Head side is according to our head design or style, right? Just I give the example. I draw the man face over here. So I draw some line, the different color line. Like this, right? So this is a hair part. Got it? Now the eyebrow. So I remove this line and we have to do this eyebrow and eye line. If we draw the eyebrow line, there is some thickness and thin part. At the starting point, there is some thickness part, and the ear side, there is some thin line. Okay. The basic eyes complete, right? After the eyes, there is nose line, right? The finishing nose line. After finishing this line, the marker is not working, so we have to use same color over here. It's a good time to use a marker of pink color on the lip side. Got it? So this is basic form of portrait. Now after complete the face, what we have to do, for example, this is a man. If you want, you can use this line also about the lips. Nice smooth check, right? After the chin part, the neck is start from here, and again there is a V shape over here, and the shoulder become a start. Clear? So now we'll teach this whole anatomy, all the body parts, but in a bone side, not mass side, right? So basically structure, when we have to start any portrait or any body, right? First you have to do structure part, not to draw directly, because when you start directly, the mass part is a very different. Some side is this heavy part and some side is a very thin part, right? So I teach that the face is over. Now we have to continue the body, whole structure of body, the anatomy, human anatomy part. Enlarge this form, slightly enlarge, right? So now clear? Okay, fine. So I remove this line so you can see it properly in a large form. Okay. Yes, perfect. So the face part is done, right? And according to the neck part is also done. Now we have to start shoulder part, chest part, stomach part, lower body part, both the side, right? The measurement of shoulder, it is basically our palm size. The palm size is the same size of shoulder, like this. Either left side or right side, the same size of palm, you can draw the shoulder, right? And make it one line over here. The elbow side is finished by near the chest part, right? So I have to draw some basic thing, not to draw anatomy side. This is chest part. The chest part is start from here, like this. And this whole covered part by stomach. Clear? Now the lower body part. If we draw a man, the line is going like this, the straight line. And the second most thing is the man's shoulder is very broad according to women, right? And if you draw a woman body part, though the shoulder line is very down, not too very broad. I divide it in two parts, one side is the man and the other side is women. Right? So this is basically fundamental. Now see the sketch. The thigh is coming from here, and this is again one joint. It is knee part. After knee, the fit part. Did you understand? Okay, so now continue with the hand. Again, there is an elbow. We can draw the same line over here. And finishing, when we do our hand like this, it's finished nearby a thigh level. Right? Same as per all the child's, man, woman, the body measurement is same, 6.5 steps. So the first steps is over the face part. Continue by the neck part. This is number 1. Number 2 is neck. Number 3 is this one. Number 4, number 5, number 6, and the fit part is so counted by 0.50. right? So total counting is 6.5 blocks. Clear? Same thing, if we draw some woman face, we can draw like this. The woman face, mostly face are in oval shape, if visible, right? And there is some delicate face because there is some beauty, right? According to man, the woman's skin and some using by all the ornaments and all, there is some beauty, right? So we can do some delicate face, not too very heavy face, right? If we start like this is the eye level, eyebrow level, eye level, the nose level, and both the lips level, right? The center line of nose. Again the ear side, both the side, and first we have to draw some hair part, right? So I complete the hair part, so you all know this area, how to fill this area. It is very useful, this virtual board, because if we are teaching in online any applications, right, we can't do the same thing on the other virtual board, right? Because when we use Zoom or any applications, so we can't draw, we can't upload the same pictures and all, right? We can't draw also. If we want upload some file or using some others person, right, on the line, and we can see also, right? So again this is the eye side, eyebrow side, small dot, right? Earrings or do something else over here. Basic ornament side and the shoulder level. Clear? So the anatomy part and the basic portrait side now we completed, right? We can meet on next session something new about landscapes and with the perspective art, right? Have a nice day all of you.